This is the CFMOTO 450MT adventure bike pickup test. Alright, it's over. I'm just shy of a full tank of petrol. I've got a bag on the back as well. Let's see how we go. Oh, that's pretty easy. That wasn't too bad at all. I'm really happy with that. I'm not sure what the dry weight or the wet weight is. On that I'd have to check up on it. I'll put it up on the screen, but I actually picked that up quite easily. And I do have a bag on the back. I don't have panniers on, but if it had panniers on it wouldn't tip over as far. It's probably even going to be a bit easier to pick up. So there you have it, the CFMOTO 450MT pickup test. Done.